Peace, family. We outside with it to demonstrate how disciplined you have to be when you are on this spiritual awakening and journey of the self, a journey of knowing the self. To know yourself is to return home to nature, to allow nature to really soothe and caress you and talk to you. So we could hear the birds singing, communicating while in the house, and they were saying to me, like, come on, come outside, come outside. It's nice out here. And which it is. It's foggy, it's misty, it's mystical, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is peaceful. It is peaceful. It is. And we want to share a message of how important it is to take in consideration of your own well-being, of your own health, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, because you can get caught up. Because speaking from experience, we had got caught up in being Captain Save-A-Hoax, and that is detrimental to your health, mentally, physically, and spiritually, because we are not saviors to others. You cannot save anybody. They have to save themselves, because when you go out your way to protect somebody and save them from their own karma, like their own karma was their own work of what they have to learn themselves, you are adding more stress to yourself, more karma to yourself, because it has nothing to do with you. Like, it has absolutely nothing to do with you. That's not your place. It really is not. Your place is working on yourself. And you working on yourself is how you inspire others to work on themselves. You have to release control. Release the need to people please. We were a big people pleaser. And we love ourselves in all our entirely. Okay? Like, it's not to say that we don't. You stop giving a fuck about people. No, it's just you create boundaries within yourself, and you know when to halt, when someone needs to, do their own work, when someone needs to do their own saving of their own souls. You cannot go out your way to save somebody and they are not ready to save themselves. You will look foolish right along with them, honestly. You will. And it's like, you cannot help someone delusional with being delusional. And it's being delusional that you can help them. And you can't from experience, you can't, okay? People really have to be ready to save and help themselves. If you do not see them making any types of steps towards their own well-being, towards eating right, towards doing their own research, towards reading books, towards exercising, towards meditation, towards, journaling, being in service, being in true service to divine's work. What is divine's work? All of this creation here, all of this natural creation, the trees, the grass, the air, the birds, the cats, the dogs, the elephants, the cows, the animals, okay? Yourself, okay? We are beings, like, though we are not from this realm, our vessel has been manifested of this realm, right? Yeah. Like, so it's about respecting this realm, to respect yourself, because we are here, right? We're here, okay? So, and now to speak on the fact that when we spoke about depression and not want to be on this realm anymore, that comes from the simple being that it's not so simple when you go through it, yet it is a simple understanding that you don't want to be here anymore because you know you're not from here. You know that the people around you, they just don't get it like you get it. The people around you just don't think like you think. They just don't create like you create. They just don't care like you care. They just don't love like you love. And that's because you're not from this realm. And honey bunches and sweet oats. You have a tribe of people, a collective of people who are of your kind. Okay? Everybody of carbon, everybody from the galactic family, they came here in a group. Okay? We came here in a group. And we were all meant to, illusionally separate so that we can learn our own lessons individually, okay? Do you see that? Divine intended from jump, from get-go, from the beginning, for people to individually learn their lessons. Meaning, you cannot be Captain Save-A-Hoax. You cannot. Okay? When Divine sends messages to beings of higher power, of higher frequencies, such as we, such as, Malachi, York, such as different beings. We don't want to really name too many names because, we don't want to get too off subject of the self, okay? Because, once again, when you get too off subject of self, then you start to lose yourself. So, when Divine sends us messages to share, we know that it's not the attention. Well, now we have to learn, of the difference of, forcing a message on someone versus just simply sharing our insight, and y'all do what y'all do with the information. You do what you do with the information. We said what we said. You do what you do with it. Just like with the video about those beings that they call a myth are here. Like the aliens, okay? Or whatever you want to call them. But the beings who are not from this realm, they are here. We are here. We're right here. Okay, and there's many more of us, many more, and there's more of us that chose to actually stay cloaked until the time was right for them to uncloak. Okay, and don't get it twisted. The cloak of Christ, the cloak of protection, is always there. It's just levels. It's levels. Okay, the cloak is always there. Cannot be touched, will not be touched. Ashe. And it's just about sharing the message and letting people use their own discernment to feel for the truth. Because we encourage you to be your own creative being. Blue Jay. A sign, a recognition. And so many birds, you all. So many birds. And this squirrel over here talking to us. It's so many divine insights everywhere when you allow yourself to be still and receive. They are very, very proud of we. They are very proud of the collective. The tribe as a collective. You all have been doing so well. You all have been doing so well. You all have went through the darkness. And didn't nobody know that you was going through some dark times. Didn't nobody know you was going through those dark times. Because didn't nobody call and check up on you to see how you was doing mentally, physically, emotionally. You got through it all by yourself because you was never by yourself. You had a tribe constantly sending you messages, those animals that will come in the midst of you crying, them animals that will come in the midst of you feeling down and yo, a sparrow just gifted us with their nutrients, and this squirrel is still here. Okay. Let me get a nice good leaf. Let me see here. Let me see here. We need another one. Okay, abundance, prosperity. Abundance is about the mind. Abundance is about how you take in information and what you do to share that information. This squirrel is still here, y'all. You see, they just are looking. I love it. I even love being graced by the sparrow. Sparrow are very ancient divine birds, so I'm grateful. This squirrel is really hanging out with us, y'all. And all these animals. I feel so protected right now. I am so honored. And I want to cry tears of joy, honestly, because I can feel you all. And I'm so proud of you all. Like, this isn't just for me. It's for everybody, y'all. Y'all did it. Y'all got through the darkness, y'all. And I promise Divine said no more. Y'all will not have to experience that shit no more. Because you know yourself now. You know how powerful you are. You know how impactful you are. You know how beautiful you are. You know how purposeful you are being here on this realm. We need you here on this realm. We need you here on this realm. We need you here on this realm. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. And it was all just a divine test to see how strong you are. Because what we enter into, oh baby, we need that strength. Okay, because it's gonna be a lot of people trying a lot. Okay, they're gonna be trying, like, and it's nothing to worry about though. That's why Divine is like, you know, don't even worry about that. Like, you don't even have to worry about that. All you need to do is really focus on the beauty of your future. Really knowing how beautiful of a future you have coming for you, because you done the work. Because you had a good spirit. Because you speak good about people when they're not around. And people thought that didn't matter. Oh, but see, Divine knows. Divine knows. Divine is always listening. Always listening. Just like this squirrel, y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, this is legit facts. For this whole time, this squirrel has been here. And he's talking, and you probably cannot hear his, I'm saying he, like I'm so for sure. I haven't looked under its undercarriage to see exactly the sex. It's giving me she now, the way she's crossed, like her hands is crossed over like that. She wants this food that's right next to me. And she just being so patient. Oh, you all. Go outside in nature. And let nature heal you. Repair you. Not heal. Because heal has even been in a broken language. Heal is a broken language. Heal is to make it like that you're broken and you don't know. You are repairing. You are repairing. You are repairing from generations and generations and generations and generations and generations and generations. Yo, that's powerful. That is powerful, yo. That is powerful. And you have so much bravery and courage for doing so. So much bravery and courage. And just know that so much is coming to you. So much greatness is coming to you. So much greatness is already surrounding you. Practice gratitude every day, every moment. Practice gratitude. Give your gratitude. Thank you, Most High. 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 When birds fly over you, they can feel your vibration. That is a divine sign. When birds start singing, divine sign. When animals stop to look at you, honey, that is a divine sign. Know that you are greatness. Know that you are greatness and that you deserve to be here. You are worthy of being here. You deserve to be here. You deserve to be here. And for that negativity, ooh-wee, I'm so proud of y'all. Y'all don't even let that shit phase y'all. You brush that shit off. How do I know? Because we do it now. We do it now. We went from having to, really be in that survival mode of protecting what was right for our soul. And it was valid. It was so valid and it was so needed because we needed to speak up for ourselves. We needed to speak up for ourselves. You all needed to speak up for yourself. That was the test and challenge, because where we are going, where we are entering to, oh, you're about to be speaking a lot, honey. It's going to cause for a lot of speaking up for yourself. Because you done went through some things where you realize, no, ain't nobody going to speak up for you how you speak up for you. You don't realize you done been in situations where didn't nobody have your back. Didn't nobody have your back. Ooh-wee. You hear that? Who had your back? The universe, your angels, your spirit animals, your guides, your fairies, your elves, your mystical creatures, your dragons, okay? That's another thing. When you do that inner child healing and you realize all of the animals and the creatures and the mystical stuff that you was drawn to as a child was for this divine purpose right here, for you to realize that, oh honey, you really do have those mystical beings with you. They really are with you. They really are there. They really are supporting you. They really are real. And they really are so proud of you. And you really were playing with them. We used to talk with our stuffed animals. And everything is energy, right? So what we came to realize, they said to we that the more we did that, we were literally putting our ashe in it and making that stuffed animal come alive. So for instance, we had a teddy bear named Carolyn, which is our grandmother name. Our grandmother on our mother's side, our grandmother that we didn't get to physically meet in this realm. So our relationships was based in spiritual. And then, it really encouraged us more to get deeper into ancestral work so we can communicate with her. And we do that when we see her numbers, her birthday. So when you see your loved one birthday, take that as a sign that they are communicating with you, okay? Pay attention to whatever situation you was going through or whatever thought you was having, and then you see their birthday. Or you hear their favorite song, or, smell their favorite food, or see their favorite drink. Like I said, I physically wasn't around our grandmother, so we just going off, what we hear. And also really, we didn't hear that much spoken about it. So we really had to just dig deep within ourselves so that we can receive the information for ourselves. And that's facts for anything. They're giving us like the Orishas. If you're into Orishas, everyone has their own story about them, right? Why? Because everyone has their own attachment. Not attachment, no detached, no attachments. We're all connected, not attached. We all have our own connection with these beings uniquely. Therefore, that is how it's so many different stories. Okay, so yeah, you can create your own story when you actually dig deep and take the time to meditate and let them come to you and let them tell you their side of the story, so it can be your story, not their story, not his story, your story. Oh, it's your story. That's the time that you're entering into building your story, okay, your story. Because you are absolutely divine and magnificent and magnetic. Go outside, y'all. Especially after it rains. And especially in the mist. The air is so fresh. Breathe. Deep breaths. Doing 3 deep breaths, I'm telling you all, you can feel that. You can feel it. You can feel the relaxation. Come on, do it with me. Powerful. The breath of life. 222. No worries. No fears. No doubts. You are protected. You are guided. You are safe. A cardinal. New birth. Oh, God. Thank you. Thank you for divine insight. Thank you for divine light. Thank you for divine communication. Thank you for divine love. Thank you for divine protection. Thank you for divine guidance. Thank you for being seen. Thank you for being heard. Thank you for being understood. Thank you for being loved. Thank you for honor. Thank you for grace. Thank you for joy. Thank you for bliss. Thank you for peace. Thank you for truth. Thank you for balance. Thank you for justice. Thank you for creativity. Thank you for movements. Thank you for soul song. Thank you for exercise. Thank you for flexibility. Thank you for clarity. Thank you for the ability to see, to speak, to taste, to touch, to hear, to feel, to smell. Thank you. 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 It's so powerful, you all, to really get in your gratitude, to really just take moments to be grateful. If you don't know anything else to do, sit and say thank you. If you don't know what else to do and where else to go and where else to look at, sit and say thank you. Sit and say thank you. Get out a piece of paper, a pen, a pencil, a marker, a crayon, a coloring pencil, whatever. Gosh dang it, if you want to use your finger and write it in the air because you're that damn powerful and magical, just say thank you. Give your gratitude for being here. I want to say thank you for you being here. Thank you for still being here. Because I know that you did not want to be. I know what you went through. And I thank you for still being here. I thank you for still pushing forward. I thank you for still being here. And it's time to connect even more, y'all. It's time, y'all. It is time. We are going to sit here and enjoy this nature some more. We encourage you all. Sending you all prayers that you all feel called to also spend time in nature. to spend time in nature, because it's truly repairing. It is truly repairing mind, body, and soul. Truly repairing. Taking a walk. We took a walk. We took an hour and 20-minute walk with our daughter, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the blessings that came afterward was that we were able to receive a ride back. The blessings. That is how divine communicates. Divine said, thank you for listening to us, because we heard to walk. And we said, okay. So once we completed the journey, Divine sent the message to that being and said, offer them a ride. And we were so grateful. We said, thank you. That's why it's so important to be grateful, and so important to listen to yourself. Okay? Listen to yourself. It's almost our birthday, y'all. It's our birthday. It's our birthday. It's our birthday every day. It's our birthday every day. Born December 26, 1996. It's our birthday. It's our birthday. It's our birthday. Ooh. Happy holidays. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Goddess Aisha here. I love you. Keep going. We gonna keep going as well. Peace.